is my primary for my research about snakes. The dear Dr. Animal Marshall and you from University of Arkansas who result of the research say that snake may survive for not eating him for month to month. Snake may hope for not eating but burning meat in the body. MQ do research with not giving food to 62 different snakes for 6 months. Any questions?
For how long snake live without eating?
Snake may he live for not eating for 6 months.
Who do the research of the snake?
Marshall and Q. And thank you.